students, how are you all? Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss about
clauses. A clause is group of words that contain a subject and a finite verb. Clause can be the part of sentence or it can be sentence by itself. For example, the girl who is standing there is my friend. Here the clause who is standing there is the part of sentence. The boy is eating a vegetable sandwich. The boy is eating a vegetable sandwich. Here the clause is sentence in itself. Clause is having the following characteristics. The clause always has a subject and a finite verb. Second, it can be a sentence by itself or it can be the part of sentence. And third, it can stand on its own and make a complete sense, but not always. Sometimes it needs to be the part of sentence to give a proper meaning. If we talk about the main clause and subordinate clause, then main clause is that clause which is having subject and a finite verb and it is complete in itself. It need not to be the part of sentence to give a proper meaning. Whereas subordinate clause, it has the finite verb and subject but does not make complete sense on its own. Subordinate clause is the dependent clause. It has to depend on the main clause for its meaning. For example, Vivek loves chips if they are crisp. Vivek loves chips. This underlined words in the sentence, they are having subjects and finite verbs and they make complete sense by themselves. Vivek loves chips. Vivek is the subject. Loves is the finite verb. Chips is the object. So this is a complete sentence in itself and it is making a sense. These are the main clauses. Vivek loves chips if they are crisp. If they are crisp, this is a condition. And if they are crisp, it does not give its own meaning that about what we are talking. Right? So, if they are crisp is the subordinate clause which is depending on the main clause to give its proper meaning. Types of subordinate clauses. A subordinate clause, it can be adjective clause, it can be adverb clause or it can be the noun clause. For example, she is looking for a teacher who can teach mathematics well. Looking for a teacher, it is the main clause. She is looking for a teacher. Sentence is complete in itself. This is the main clause. Then, who can teach mathematics well? What sort of teacher she is looking for? Who can teach mathematics? So, who can teach mathematics well? This is the subordinate clause which depends on the main clause. She is looking for a teacher. And this is adjective clause because we have described about the subject. What sort of teacher she is looking for. Second, you can meet me as soon as you arrive. Adverb of time. You can meet me as soon as you arrive. So as soon as you arrive, this is the adverb clause. He claims that he submitted his assignment last week. He claims, this is the main clause, that he submitted assignment last week. This is the subordinate clause. And this is the noun clause.
If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Shan Stars. Take care all of you.